What's up guys, it's the team at Soar Aerospace and we're back again with part 5 of our X-Class build series. We're officially going to be showing you the rig we flew and built at I.O., showing off the top 3 things we've learned from building our first rig, as well as a little surprise announcements for our newcomers. So let's get into it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to leave no time to waste.
So if you're interested to see what electronics we use, check out our previous video for a detailed description on that. Now let's get into the frame. Now for the motor mounts and base plates, we used our high-strength Soar Aerospace carbon fiber because we wanted to ensure this build was going to be extremely strong and withstand any crash. To cover the battery and electronics, we custom designed and 3D printed an ABS hood. 1, to make the frame extremely sleek, and 2, to add logo space, which turned heads at I.O.
Now, as you guys may know, International Open just ended and we got an opportunity to go there and fly our X-Class drone. But going to the races was a completely new and different experience for us. From the spec race to the World Cup to the freestyle track, everything was just extremely live and the atmosphere was very communal. So we appreciate MultiGP for putting on that event. It was great. But I gotta say that X-Class race took us. The entire environment there was uplifting, very adrenaline. Everything was fast paced, everyone was live. Just going to that event and seeing what they put on, we definitely knew this is where we wanted to go. So now we're extremely excited to say that we want to have a huge role in X-Class.
So after building our first X-Class drone, here are the top 3 main things that we learned. Number 1, X-Class has a lot of carnage. It's like a flying demolition derby. Whether you're a newcomer or racing competitively, you're gonna need something durable because you're going to crash. Number 2, use a bus bar. Instead of using a PDB, a bus bar allows you to separate your electronics and have a clean build. Number 3, stability is key. You're gonna need to test and tune your PIDs a lot more because these vehicles are much larger and not as snappy as the 5-inch quads, so you're gonna have to have a lot more gradual movement.
So we got a couple big announcements, guys. The first being Soar Aerospace is now officially the Orlando X-Class chapter. If you guys want to find out more information about that, check us out on our website where you can find and join the X-Class chapter. Next thing is we are now offering DIY services. So for all you X-Class members who want to just build your own rig, get that creative genius going through, we can help. We offer our Soar Aerospace high durability carbon fiber as well as CNC manufacturing services so we can cut out any design you want. So for our last announcement, we're excited to say that we're developing a new frame for the X-Class community, unlike anything you've seen before. We realize a lot of people, they don't want to risk damaging expensive material for the first time they're getting into it. Well, we have a solution for you. We want to offer an affordable frame that just don't break. Now, if you're interested in beta testing this frame, go to our website, contact us, and let us know why you should be a pilot. We'll see you in the next video.